The world of action cameras has always been fast-moving, with each new release raising the bar for performance, durability, and creative possibilities. For years, GoPro dominated this space almost unchallenged. But DJI has steadily built a strong reputation for delivering rugged, high-performance action cameras under its Osmo Action series. After much anticipation, leaks, and endless speculation, the DJI Osmo Action 6 is finally here, and it's shaping up to be one of the most talked-about tech releases of the year. If you've been waiting to upgrade your old action cam, or you're simply curious about how DJI is shaking up the market once again, you're in the right place. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Action 6, from its shocking new specs and features to real-world performance, comparisons against rivals, pricing, and whether this is truly the best action camera you should buy right now. To understand the hype behind the Osmo Action 6, we need to look back at how DJI built its reputation in this market. The DJI Osmo Action 2019 was the company's first bold step into action cameras. With its front-facing screen, something GoPro lacked at the time, it became an instant favorite among vloggers. The Osmo Action 2 2021 took risks with a modular design that was innovative but received mixed reviews due to heating issues. The Osmo Action 3 2022 went back to a more traditional form factor, prioritizing reliability, long battery life, and rugged durability. It cemented DJI as a true rival to GoPro. The Osmo Action 4 2023 introduced a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, dramatically improving low-light performance and dynamic range. Now, with the Osmo Action 6, DJI isn't just refining its formula. It's taking things to the next level, packing in groundbreaking upgrades that make it a serious contender for the action cam crown in 2025 and beyond. 2. The design, familiar yet evolved. At first glance, the DJI Osmo Action 6 looks similar to its predecessor, the Action 4. DJI didn't reinvent the wheel here, and for good reason. The rugged rectangular design works well, both ergonomically and structurally. But look closer, and you'll notice some refinements. A slimmer and lighter body, making it easier to mount in tight spaces. Improved heat management, ensuring longer recording sessions even in 8K or high frame rate modes. A redesigned lens cover with enhanced scratch resistance and anti-fog coating. A slightly larger front-facing touchscreen, perfect for vloggers who want to frame shots easily. It's not flashy, but it's built to survive anything. Drops, dust, snow, and dives up to 20 meters underwater without a housing. Here's where things get really exciting. The Osmo Action 6 comes packed with features that will make even long-time GoPro users stop and reconsider. A brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor, a huge leap compared to the Action 4's 1/1.3-inch sensor. Higher resolution capture, allowing up to 8K video at 30 frames per second and 6K at 60 frames per second. Stunning 4K 120 frames per second slow motion with full sensor readout. Improved low-light capabilities with DJI's next-gen night mode video. Support for 10-bit D-Log M color profile for cinematic flexibility. HDR video with more